Welcome to Learn with Lili. Today we are starting with your Longman VISTAS SST course book for Class 4 students, Chapter 21. And the name of the chapter is Famous Personalities of India. There are many personalities in India who have made a difference to India in different fields such as politics, science, arts, and sports. Let us read about some of these significant personalities. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, born in 1875, was one of the prominent figures of the Indian politics. He was also known as the Iron Man of India. He was a follower of Gandhiji and believed in truth and non-violence. He was the first Home Minister of India after independence. He is remembered as a man who united India. He took his last breath in 1950. The Statue of Unity, located in Gujarat, has been dedicated to Sardar Patel. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated world's tallest statue on 31st October 2018 on 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. As you can see, this is the Statue of Unity. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Born in 1924, Atal Bihari Vajpayee is fondly known as the man of the masses. He served as the Prime Minister of India between 1996 and 2004. It was under his leadership that India conducted successful nuclear tests in 1998 at Pokhran in Rajasthan. He was awarded the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 2014 by the President of India. Vajpayee's birthday, 25th December, is celebrated as Good Governance Day in India. He was also fond of poetry and writing. C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was born in 1888 at Tiruchirappalli. He was one of the greatest scientists of India. As a professor of physics, he joined the Calcutta University. In 1930, he received the Nobel Prize for Physics. In 1933, he became the director of the Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. He later established the Raman Research Institute in Bengaluru. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist. He served as the President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was an engineer and worked with the Defense Research and Development Organizations (DRDO) and the Indian Space Research Organizations (ISRO). He was known as the Missile Man of India and was honored with the prestigious Bharat Ratna Award. Kalam is famous for his motivational speeches and interaction with students in India. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan, born in 1942, is a renowned actor of the Hindi film industry. He has recently completed 50 years in Bollywood. He started his career with the film Saath Hindustani. Since then, he has acted in more than 180 films. He also hosts a famous television series, Kaun Banega Crorepati. He was being conferred with honorary civilian awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. Some of his popular films are Zanjeer, Diwar, Sholay, Black, Pa, and many more. Amitabh Bachchan is also referred to as the star of the millennium. Did you know Amitabh Bachchan has recently been honored with the most prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Lata Mangeshkar. Born in 1929, Lata Mangeshkar is also known as the Melody Queen. One of the best playback singers of India, she has sung almost 50,000 songs in more than 36 languages. Lata Mangeshkar was honored with the respected Bharat Ratna in 2001. The legendary singer has also been awarded with a number of other prestigious awards such as Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is an Indian cricketer who was born in 1981 in Ranchi. He is the one of the best wicket-keeper batsmen and captains in the world. The Indian cricket team won ICC World 20, Asia Cup, ICC World Cup in 2011 and 2013 ICC Champions Trophy under his captaincy. Fondly known as the Captain Cool, Dhoni was awarded as the ICC Player of the Year for 2 consecutive years, 2007 and 2008. MS Dhoni is known for his love for cars and bikes. He owns more than 100 bikes including vintage and superbikes. He has been awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan. Hima Das. Hima Das is an Indian athlete who belongs to the state of Assam. Born in 2000, Hima is also known as the Dang Express. She is the first Indian sprint runner to win a gold medal in 400 meter at the World U20 Championships, Finland in 2018. She continued her fantastic run in 2019 by winning gold in 200-meter race at Poznan Athletics Grand Prix and Kutno Athletics meet held in Poland. She again bagged a gold at the Kladno Athletics meet and Tabor Athletic meet, Czech Republic. She has been conferred with the respected Arjuna Award in 2018 by the President of India. Now the exercises. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in 1875. Number 2. The Statue of Unity is located in Gujarat. Number 3. APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as the Missile Man of India. Number 4. The World U20 Championship was held in Finland in 2018. Number 5. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one of the best wicket-keeper batsmen and captains in the world. Now match the columns. 1. MS Dhoni, Captain Cool. 2. C.V. Raman, Nobel Prize for Physics. Hima Das, Dying Express. Lata Mangeshkar, Melody Queen, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Man of Masses. The question and answers we will refer to the notebook. So, question number 1. What is the importance of the Statue of Unity? The Statue of Unity, located in Gujarat, has been dedicated to Sardar Patel. He was known as Iron Man of India. He is remembered as a man who united India. This statue is inaugurated in 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel by Narendra Modi. Question number 2. Under whose leadership did India conduct successful nuclear tests? India conducted successful nuclear tests in 1998 at Pokhran in Rajasthan under Atal Bihari Vajpayee's leadership. Number 3. Name the first film of Amitabh Bachchan. The first film of Amitabh Bachchan was Saath Hindustani. And number 4. Write a short note on the achievements of Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Hima Das. For Mahendra Singh Dhoni, we have ICC World 20 Trophy, Asia Cup Trophy, ICC World Cup 2011 Trophy, and ICC Champions 2013 Trophy. For Hima Das, we have World U20 Championships in Finland in 2018 gold medal in 400-meter race, Poznan Athletics Grand Prix and Kunto Athletics meet in Poland gold medal in 200-meter race, Kladno Athletics meet and Tabor Athletics meet, Czech Republic gold medal, and Arjuna River in 2018 by the President of India. So if you enjoyed my video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.